Want to customize Microsoft Teams to work better for you? In this guide, I'll show you where to find Teams settings and how to adjust your account, notifications, appearance, privacy, and audio and video options. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and select your profile picture or account icon. From the menu, choose Settings. This is the main place where you can customize how Teams looks and behaves. Start with the General section. Depending on your version of Teams, you may find options related to startup behavior, language, layout, and other general preferences. Review these settings and adjust them to match how you use Teams. Next, open the Appearance or Similar Settings area. Here, you may be able to change the Teams theme, layout, and other visual preferences. Choose a style that's comfortable for you, then check the preview if one is available. Notifications are another important setting. Open Notifications and decide which messages, mentions, meetings, and other activities should alert you. Reducing unnecessary notifications can make Teams much less distracting. To change your microphone, speaker, or camera, open the Devices section when available. Select your preferred audio and video devices, then use the test controls to make sure everything works correctly. Teams also includes privacy-related settings and controls. Review the available options for your account, presence, communication, and other privacy features. The exact options can vary depending on whether you're using a personal or work account. If you need accessibility features, check the Accessibility section. Depending on your Teams version, you may find options that make navigation, captions, and other parts of the app easier to use. After changing your settings, return to Teams and test the features you adjusted. Open a chat, check your notifications, or start a test call to make sure everything works the way you expect. And yeah, you can always return to settings and change them again, and that's how to change Microsoft Teams settings. From notifications and appearance to audio, video, privacy, and accessibility, you can customize Teams around the way you work. So take a few minutes to adjust these options, and your Teams experience can feel much more comfortable.